If you want to connect your Motorola Moto G87 to your PC, and if you want to transfer data, then the best way to do so is by using a USB cable. I know that there is the Smart Connect app, which we can find in the Moto folder over here in the app drawer, and technically we can also try to use it to wirelessly connect our phone to our computer. However, personally, I cannot really recommend it because for me, this app never works. I can never make it work on my computer, and I cannot really make it work to connect any Motorola to my PC with this app. So therefore, I just think using a USB cable is just the better option. Usually, it doesn't really cause any problems whatsoever, and all you have to do is you want to connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. Then you want to check notifications, and you will find charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification and then again in order to open USB preferences. And then in USB preferences, you want to choose file transfer over here and verify yourself. And then you should be able to access your files or the phone's storage on your computer. So there we go. This is how it looks like. You should be able to go to your PC and you can find Moto G87 and you can access your phone storage or even the microSD card storage if you have one inside your phone. And you can go through folders in order to find all your photos and videos and audio files and documents and everything, and you can easily transfer anything from your phone to your computer or the other way around. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.